Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using Talkspace psychiatry services. Talkspace offers online psychiatry services, providing a convenient way to connect with qualified psychiatric professionals. This platform enables individuals to access mental health care remotely, removing the barriers of traditional in-person appointments like travel time and rigid scheduling. Through Talkspace, users can engage in live video sessions, as well as communicate asynchronously through text, audio, and video messages. This flexible communication style allows for ongoing dialogue and support between sessions, fostering a stronger therapeutic relationship. Talkspace psychiatric services are designed to address a range of mental health conditions, offering personalized treatment plans tailored to individual needs. The platform strives to match users with psychiatrists who are a good fit for their specific concerns and preferences. While Talkspace offers a valuable and accessible entry point to psychiatric care, it's important to remember that online services may not be suitable for everyone. For individuals experiencing severe or acute mental health crises, in-person care might be more appropriate. Potential users are encouraged to carefully consider their own needs and circumstances before choosing Talkspace. Exploring the platform's detailed information on their website, which includes pricing and specifics on how the service operates, is highly recommended. Additionally, consulting with a primary care physician or other healthcare professional can provide further guidance on whether Talkspace is the right fit for an individual's particular situation. Ultimately, Talkspace provides a digital avenue for individuals seeking psychiatric support, expanding access to mental health care in a way that prioritizes convenience and flexible communication. This digital approach can be particularly helpful for those with busy schedules, those living in areas with limited access to mental health professionals, or those who simply prefer the comfort and privacy of online interactions. Remember to always prioritize your mental well-being and explore all available resources to find the best support system for your individual needs.